And we are
And we are
the Azenseagulls.
the Azenseagulls.
the Azenseagulls. Hi, my name is Annabelle, and this is my pet bunny, Snowball. I also love making balloon animals. Here's me creating the balloon animal head. And here's the finished product. I also like to do arts and crafts during my free time. Here are some of my art pieces.
Hi, I'm Christine. As you can tell, I love cute things and plushies. And wait, I'm Korean. This is my high school sweatshirt at my club, and there's my Korean nickname on the back, Hayongsoo. And also, I really love to draw and have some fun at the same time. So here are some of my drawings. And again, I'm Christine. See you!
Hi, I'm Naomi. I'm Chinese and Taiwanese, and this is my pet dude, Gong. I got him at Target for $20. In my free time, I love to do arts and crafts, such as sewing. I also love to paint. We know that this time could be difficult and boring for all of us, so us, Azenseagulls, are here to help you.
There will be multiple videos uploaded weekly.
Crafts, DIYs, and more will be in our videos, so you can recreate it at home. We hope you're all doing well, and we created this for you guys so that you stay entertained during the quarantine. But remember, try to stay 6 feet apart and wear your mask.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video.
But wait, there's one more thing. You guys can contribute your ideas by filling out the form below.